Hello Professor. Hi everyone. My name is Presentation and my student ID is 200-12795. I am the student of Sejong University and my department is Computer Science and Technologies. And the subject is HCI, Human Computer Intellectual. Here I am going to present about the advancement in computer interface, brain-computer interface in neuroscience. These are the contents that I am going to present in this presentation. First one is introduction, second one is BCI, third BCI types of BCI, fourth components of BCI, and the fifth one is the conclusion about the whole presentation. And here we go about the introduction. In this modern time, there are many technologies which are adapting or which are running in this phase, and among them, one of them is brain-computer interface, that it means BCI. BCI is mostly used for the neuroscience, we are present in this presentation. BCI is the technology that receives, analyzes, and transfers the signal generated from brain into output commands in real world to accomplish a particular task. That means anything that is surrounding in our brain, or let's take about the example, a paralyzed person brain who is conscious, who is not unconscious, but he is the conscious one, and his hand or leg is not working. So in that case, we can use him by this technology to run, to do his manual works, etc. These are the types of brain-computer interface. First one is event-related desynchronization and synchronization, BCI. Second is exogenous BCI and endogenous BCI. Third one is active BCI, reactive BCI, and passive BCI. About that BCI, about the ERD and ERS BCI, it is divided in the base of input method, whether it is desynchronization or synchronization. The reduction of or enhancement of EEG signal, where EEG is electroencephalograms signal power, is known as ERD or ERS. That means in the event related desynchronization, there will be reduction of EEG, and in the case of synchronization or event-related synchronization, there will be the enhancement of electroencephalograms signals about the exogenous BCI and the endogenous BCI. They are based on the input signals of brain-computer interface. About the active BCI, system generated its result from voluntary controlled activities of brain, independent from external stimulant for managing an application. About the reactive BCI, the system uses brain signals arising as a result of reaction to external stimulant, which is directly operated for controlling an application by the user. About the passive BCI or passive brain-computer interface, it is the system that gets its result from unintentional activities by brain. Here you can see the signals type used in BCI. BCI uses 4 types of signals, brain signals, that is visual evoked potential, slow cortical potential, evoked potential, sensory rhythms. You can see their different components. Here in the components of BCI, you can see the signal acquisition, which is connected from brain. That means the signal is directly connected to the system, and it is ongoing process through the feature extraction, pattern recognition, and the control signal. The control signal here, control system is, you can see here, emulator or the hand. You can see here the Stephen Hawking, picture of Stephen Hawking. He used the system that I showed, the control system, emulator system at the page. He used that system to express his every research materials and everything that he wants to say about the researchers with him. And you can see here the exact display about the figure that I shown above in the components of BCI. Here mind is directly connected to the device, laptop, and anything that he thinks or he wanted to do, that will be recorded or that will be written in the computer, and we can see his everything he wants to say with us. And the conclusion is the signal that brain directly bypass to the external device. It is mainly used for the paralyzed person, we can say, and it is in the beginning phase, so that in coming future it will be more active and more running application it may be. So the brain computer interface is useful to us, and the presentation is this much. So thank you.